Reviewing these Goolita platform star buckle boots. They come in these dust bags to protect the boots from scratches. This is how they look straight out from the box. They have a zipper on the side to put on and take off. Look how cute these are! They have stars as buckles. Back of the boot. Front of the boot. They feel comfortable to wear and the heel isn't heavy at all. The boot has lace-ups in the front for size adjustment for your legs. Since the string is long, I just tuck it into the boot. Another look at how the boots look on their own. You can see that the buckles go from the top to the bottom, all on the side. The inside of the boots have fabric lining.